Welcome to Chemistry Online. See, in this class, we are going to discuss oxo acids of sulfur. How many oxo acids can formed by sulfur? We are going to discuss in this class. In previous class, we discussed ozone preparation and chemical properties. This is also important question for objective type. So, oxo acids of sulfur, oxo acids of sulfur. Okay, sulfur can form 4 types of oxo acid series. Sulfur can form 4 types of oxo acid series. The first one as acid series, the second one ic acid series, and third one thionic acid series, and fourth one peroxo acid series. The first one is as sulfurous acid series. Sulfurous acid series. Okay, so second one is sulfuric acid series. Sulfuric acid series. Okay, and third one is thionic acid series. Thionic acid series. Okay, and fourth one is peroxo acid series. Peroxo acid series. Okay, then first thionic acid series, sulfurous acid series we are going to discuss. So in this one, first one, it forms 2 types of acids, sulfurous acid, sulfurous acid. Its formula is H2SO3. Next one is thiosulfurous acid. Okay, thiosulfurous acid. Thiosulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid, thiosulfurous acid. Its formula is H2S2O3. Okay, then this one, it forms 2 types of oxo acids. So first one, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Its formula is H2SO4. In this one, thiosulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid. Okay, its formula is H2S2. It is O2. It is O2. It is O3. Okay, then in this one, polythionic acid and polythionic acid. Thionic acid series, first one thionic acid, H2S2O6, and B polythionic acid. Polythionic acid, H2 SN plus 2 O6. Okay. Then in this one, two types of acids, peroxo acid series, peroxo mono sulfuric acid, peroxo mono sulfuric acid, formula H2SO5. And this one B, peroxo disulfuric acid, peroxo disulfuric acid series, its formula H2S2O8, H2S2O8. It is also called Carros acid, Carros acid. Okay, it is also called Carros acid. It is also called Marshall's acid, Marshall's acid. Okay, see here, now you have to know its structure, oxidation state, basicity, all this information I am going to give. Okay, now you have to know its structure and remaining you have to go. This is a sulfuric acid series, it is a thionic acid series, then it is a peroxo acid series. Okay, these two in this one. Okay, see here, now you have to know its structure. Sulfur is the central atom, and double bond O, single bond OH, single bond OH. Okay, so here its oxidation state is equal to, it is X, 3 to the minus 6, so 2 into 1 plus sulfur equal to X plus 3 into minus 2 equal to 0. So 2 plus X minus 6 equal to 0, X is equal to 4, so oxidation state of sulfur equal to plus 4. Okay, so basicity equal to 2. Why? Because 2 hydroxy bonds. So this is briefly sulfurous acid. Okay, then it is a structure, sulfur having OH, next here double bond sulfur lone pair. Every sulfur can form 4 bonds. So here every sulfur can form 6 bonds. So here atoms are not sufficient in this molecule. 2 sulfurs can be act as central atoms, but the atoms are not sufficient for one sulfur. So another sulfur is bonded with central atoms of sulfur. It is nothing but a terminal bond. It is called terminal bond. So oxidation state equal to minus 2. So here it is X. So 2 hydrogens 2 into 1 plus 2 sulfurs 1 sulfur equal to X plus 1 sulfur equal to minus 2 plus 2 oxygens 2 into minus 2 equal to 0. So 2 plus X minus 2, so minus 4 equal to 0, plus 2 minus 2 cancel, so X is equal to 4. So this sulfur equal to plus 4 and this sulfur equal to minus 2. Then average oxidation state, average oxidation number equal to 4 minus 2 by 2 equal to 1. So 2 sulfurs having different oxidation states, then we have to take average oxidation state. Okay, so when 2 sulfurs having same bonds, no need of taking average oxidation state. When two sulfurs having different bonds, then we have to take average oxidation state. So it is nothing but H2SO4. Its structure is sulfur, single bond, double bond, double bond. OH, OH, double bond O, double bond O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This can form 6 bonds. So oxidation state equal to plus 6. So basicity same. Basicity same for all. Basicity is same for all. So oxidation state equal to plus 6 for sulfuric acid. Then if you take this one, sulfur can be act as a central atom. So OH, double bond O, OH, double bond S. It is a terminal bond. It is a terminal bond. So if it is a terminal bond, so oxidation state is minus 2. So here this oxidation state is a plus 6, then you have to take average. This sulfur plus 6, this sulfur minus 2, then you have to take average oxidation number. 6 minus 2 by 2, so 2. Understand? It is also basicity 2. Basicity 2 for all molecules. So here structure S, O, H, S, O, H, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oxygens, 2 sulfurs. So here it having oxidation state equal to plus 6. So average also plus 6. Why? Because 2 sulfurs having equal bonds. Then here structure yes, yes, it is a taken N, it is a taken N, then okay, yes, double bond O, double bond O, single bond OH, double bond O, double bond O, single bond OH. So Sn plus 2, Sn plus 1 plus 2, so it is a N. Here oxidation state, yes, taken N, oxidation state is equal to 0. So it is remaining, it is a plus 6, it is a plus 6. Okay, average oxidation state is a plus 6. So here basicity is a 2, 1, 2, only 2 the basicity. If you take this one, so peroxomonosulfuric acid means this series having peroxy bond. Peroxy bond means oxygen is bonded with the oxygen. If the molecule contain peroxy bond, the oxidation state of oxygen is a minus 1. Oxidation state of oxygen is a minus 1. So commonly you may take minus 2, but in peroxy bond, peroxides oxidation state is a minus 1. Then here S, OH, OH, double bond O, double bond O. Here minus 1, minus 1, next remaining all plus 1. So here 2 oxygens, 2 into 1 plus sulfur X, so 5 oxygens. Here 3 oxygens minus 2 plus 2 oxygens minus 1 equal to 0. 2 plus X minus 6 minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel, X is equal to 6. So here oxidation state equal to 6. Here it is a peroxy bond. It is a peroxy bond. Peroxy bond. If it is peroxy bond, oxidation state of oxygen is minus 1. Then here between 2 sulfurs a peroxy bond is present, so that is a double bond O, double bond O, single bond OH, double bond O, double bond O, single bond OH. It is peroxy bond. It is a peroxy bond. So oxidation state is a -1, -1. So then, so here -2, -2, -2. So oxidation state of sulfur equal to +6. So these two having peroxy bond, remaining do not having peroxy bond. It is a terminal bond. It is a terminal bond. So sulfur oxidation state of sulfur equal to of 1 sulfur. So here it is -2. So oxidation state of it is S1, it is S2. So oxidation state of S1 equal to +6. Here oxidation state of S2 equal to -6. Then average equal to like this. Here also it is 1, it is 2. Then oxidation state of S1 equal to how much? How much? +4. Then oxidation state of S2 equal to how much? -2. Terminal bond. So here like this, +6, +6. Here +6. Here +6. So this is oxo acids of sulfur. Oxo acids of sulfur. This is the way we may discuss. These two are important for two marks. 2 marks. Okay. So all basicity is 2 only. Here basicity equal to 2. Here also basicity equal to 2. So here basicity equal to 2. Here also basicity equal to 2. Basicity 2. Basicity 2. So here also basicity 2. So if you see this, basicity is the same for all oxo acids of sulfur. This is the way. Oxo acids of sulfur series we are discussing. Sulfurous acid series, it contains 2 acids, sulfurous acid H2SO3, thiosulfurous acid H2S2O2. Sulfuric acid series, sulfuric acid H2SO4, thiosulfuric acid H2S2O3. Thionic acid H2S2O6, basicity is 2. It is containing 2 series, polythionic acid, thionic acid. Peroxo acid series, peroxo monosulfuric acid, peroxo disulfuric acid. Okay. It is also called Marshall's acid, that is also called Caros acid. This is briefly oxo acids of sulfur. Next, one very short answer we have to discuss. That is one very short answer for 2 marks. SO2 can be used as anti-chlor. Explain. SO2 can be used as anti-chlor. Explain. Okay. SO2 can be used as anti-chlor. Explain. See here, solution. So, SO2 is used to remove chlorine from the fabrics after bleaching. That's why it is called anti-chlor. SO2 is used to remove Cl2 from the fabrics after bleaching. Okay, so it is called anti-chlor. Equation SO2 plus Cl2 plus H2O gives rise to HCl plus H2SO4. If you take 2, that is balanced. No need of taking here 2, then that is balanced. So, this is SO2 can be used as anti-chlor. So, this is nothing but so if you take clothes which having bleaching, they may tear. So, if you used SO2 to remove chlorine, so they may exist a long life, they may give long life. That's why SO2 can be used as an anti-chlor. So, this is the way. It's very important question for 2 marks. This is briefly 6th A group elements. The chapter is over. 6th A group elements. So, tomorrow we will discuss 7th A group elements. Okay. So, this is briefly 6th A group elements.